Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. As you can see now, by tapping on them I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about the camera we can manage, and here we have to move to left side and tap to settings so we can open them. Now let's slide a little bit to find volume buttons function, and when we pick it we can decide between shutter, which is now shutter countdown, zoom and volume. So let me change it, for example, to zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now and also move back so I can use zoom by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.